I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to help deliver more value in your content. Instead of thinking how you can generate more leads, more sales, attract more followers, you need to be reframing your mind on how you can deliver more value to your audience. Think about the content that stops you from scrolling. Who is that person that makes you stop? Why are you stopping on that person? What do you want to learn from them? This is what your audience needs to think when they see you. Let's have a quick look at Alex Hormozi. He does not sell his business in any of his content. He talks about his experiences, his wins, his losses, what he does inside of his business, what he does in his day. He also talks about the results that his clients get when they work one-on-one with him. And he also talks about why he invests in other people's companies. Do you see how he creates content? He leads with value in everything that he does. The people that love him follow him on social media. The folks that want to take their business from $10 to $30 million a year, they reach out to have a one-on-one with him to see if it's a good fit for Alex Hormozi and their business to work together. I understand when you're new, it's going to be hard to create consistent, valuable content for your audience. The more that you turn up, the easier it becomes. You start creating momentum and it starts to become second nature to you. Now let's jump into how you can use ChatGPT to help you create better content. Now before we go too far, I'm going to drop a link down below in the comments to the Create framework. You can take this framework and apply it to your business to help you create better content. Now the Create framework is context, results, explanation, audience, tone, and expand or edit. And here's a quick overview of how you can use the framework and apply it to your business to use as your ChatGPT prompt. I am, insert who you are. I help, insert who you help. So they can, insert how you help people. What is the result that you help your clients get? This is one of the reasons why you need to understand who your audience is, what problems that you're solving for them, and how you help your audience. This is the next part of the prompt. Create 3 videos with 3 alternative hooks, sharing the value that I'll be teaching them inside of this video. The hooks will be tailored towards my ideal audience who are wanting to solve a pain that they are experiencing with a persuasive tone and emphasize the importance of taking action. Now that is an overview of the ChatGPT prompt that I'll share with you down below in the first comment. Now, I'd like to share with you the prompt that I use. I'm a 6-figure marketer, online business mentor, and digital marketing consultant. I help dads who have been working in corporate for the past 20 years, who want to spend more time with their children, work from home, and start, grow, and scale their online business by inviting them to become a part of our digital marketing community, where they can learn the marketing skills, learn how to attract their perfect customer using short form video. I also show them how they never have to bother friends and family, sending cold DMs in Messenger, and adding random friends on Facebook. I show them how to grow an email list and a following on social media so they can build their personal brand using short form video, and how to master the 2-hour workday by focusing on the income producing activities so they can create an online income and design their lifestyle marketing business around their own schedule and their families. Can you please create 3 videos with 3 alternate hooks that are going to create intrigue and are tailored towards dads who want more from life, more time, more money, and more freedom. With a persuasive tone, emphasize the importance of taking action by commenting ready to become a part of our digital marketing community. You also include the description for the video, 3 relevant hashtags, and the key words for optimization purposes so that the platforms can categorize our content and attract our perfect audience with those keywords. I do not want you to copy this prompt word for word. You need to remember what got you excited to pull out your credit card and to invest into your education or to start that online business. Remember, what could you see in your future? When you pulled out your credit card, you saw an outcome. What was that outcome that made you pull out the credit card? Was it having an automated business? Was it creating an influence? Was it to create a following? Who were you impacting? Remember what got you excited to pull out your credit card. You also need to educate ChatGPT around who you are, who you help, and what you do. Because the ChatGPT algorithm is always evolving and learning from the conversations that you are having with it, as it will reference previous conversations that you've been having. Now, once ChatGPT has provided the results for you, drop this prompt. Can you provide 3 more videos that focus on creating short form video content, why it is so important for people to create short form videos, and how they can leverage TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and other social media platforms to get the attention of their ideal audience, to build their email list, their following, their personal brand, and to master the 2-hour workday. See what ChatGPT does for you when you ask ChatGPT this prompt. Now, from these 2 prompts, ChatGPT has just provided you with 6 different short form videos with 3 alternative hooks, giving you 18 different videos that you could create. Now, it comes down to you. You need to have a look at the hooks that ChatGPT has given you. Which one of these hooks is going to capture the attention of your ideal audience? If you're not quite sure, that's when you need to test to see which one is working best for you. Now, I've got one more prompt for you if you're wanting to create a longer video. So you can drop this ChatGPT prompt in to create a 60-second video. Here is the prompt. Take the 6 videos listed above, and for each video, create an outline for a 1-minute video, focusing on what is in it for the viewer, why they want this, and what will do it for them. Remember, when we are creating content for our audience, for our viewer, and our potential customer, you're not creating content to go viral, to build your following, your brand, or to make a sale. You are creating content to help and serve your audience. Now, this is where I've taken this existing framework and I've added one more prompt into ChatGPT. Can you create 3 more 60-second videos? Focus more on having an automated business that works 24/7. So when they are offline, spending time with their family, traveling overseas, or sleeping, that their business is working on autopilot for them. The core story that I'd like to share with them is that they get the fully automated system for free when they invest into their business inside of our community. In your response, please include the hook, the problem, the solution, what's in it for them, and the call to action. Remember, when you're creating content, that ChatGPT will provide you a script. Make sure that you add your own tone and your voice to the script that ChatGPT has provided. If ChatGPT says something that doesn't sound like you, then don't say it. You have to make it sound like your own language because you want your audience to connect and resonate with your stories. Now, this is how you'll never run out of content ideas again. So if you want to grow your following, get more views, increase your influence and your income, then create more value in your content. When you're ready to build your brand and your business using short form video content, then smash that subscribe button.